This is the Guantanamo Bay prisoner.
You got
30 seconds. You can drag him into safety. Tattooing his debut.
Brian, cameraman.
Oh man. Brian and his I don't want to get shot mode.
Just barely a half inch of plywood separating the two worlds.
Rep walking. Oh.
Oh, there it goes. No check.
Ow. Darn. You're kidding me.
Hey. Let it. Drag him. Him.
In the head.
Let it.
In the house! They're in the house!
Let it. Come on. Kill it.
Wow. Tell me that ain't crazy.
Are we done?
Yeah, still keeping time.
Someone give me your gun, I'll cover me. Hey!
Rep walking.
Get back right there.
Rep walking.
That's one. That guy right there. Right there.
Coming through. Rep walking. Are you dead?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Wasn't sure. Check this out. Oh. Ow. Huh? Ow. Hey, ref in the corner. Ref walking out. That's dangerous over there.
I'm going to get shot. Watch the fire! Hostage in the building!
Y'all aren't holding out pretty good. You ready?
It's only been 4 minutes.
Yeah. All right.
I'm just waiting for him to accidentally shoot you in the
I
head.
know, right? I'm going to get hit.
Two of them in here, Mike. Come on.
Don't let him fire!
Left side.
He's hit!
We need medics over here.
Ow. The heck?
Watch the fire! There's a hostage in here! If you're in the building, you stay in the building.
My gun's up.
Watch the fire! There's a hostage! If you're in the building, you get in the building, not outside the building. shooting.
Oh, I did.
That got hit?
That just missed your head, Mike.
I know.
You know, it's like a little...
Maybe you did it again.
That means I got...
She's in the corner. They're in the corner.
Ow!
Guy right here.
That's got a frame. Yes, get the shot here.